What's up YouTube, it's C-Rob. In this video I will be replacing my OEM kidney grill with these black cloth dual bar kidney grill. So before we can get to the grill, we will need to remove the weather strip, a few clamps and a few screws. In order to remove the screws, you'll need a T30 drill bit. So once you remove all the clips and screws, you can now access your grill through here and start unhooking the clamps. So I got the first grill off. It was a little tough, but that's only because it was in a tight space. But if you have smaller hands, it may be a little easier for you. And I've done some research before I decided to install my grill. So if you want to replace your grill the easiest way possible, I would advise you to remove the second grill before replacing the first one. So I now have both grills off, but before I install the new grills, I'm going to clean off the built up dirt. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier is that you want to pull on the grill as you're unhooking each clamp so they don't lock back in place. So now that we removed the old grill and cleaned out the area, it's time to install the new grills. Alright y'all, so I got the new grills on. They look better than I imagined. I did have to take them off because they weren't locking in, but it was an easy fix. All I had to do was take a flathead screwdriver, pry up the clamps, and it was done. But I appreciate y'all for watching the video. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, y'all be blessed.